Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today working on the John Deere Ztrak 757. Well, I'm doing a belt change on this thing and I got a squeal on the deck somewhere. Figured it was an idler pulley. I ordered one of those and they got the wrong pulley. I do have the right belt here. That's why I don't like cross-referencing online, because a lot of times it ain't right. Here's my original belt. Yeah, this is original from the factory. This is what this thing was born with, this drive belt. It is the 60-inch deck. So I believe that's the John Deere part number. Hopefully it'll go back together. Okay guys, so the procedure to get this belt off is I put a big wrench on the idler pulley with the spring, and then you just loosen it up. Then you can pull the belt off these pulleys here. And then once your belt is off all your pulleys, then you can loosen this bolt right here and then pull your idler pulley and bracket up just enough to get your belt underneath it. Otherwise you can't get your belt off the deck. And that's a carriage bolt. There's nothing underneath it that you got to hold. It goes in a square hole in the deck. So the only time you're going to have trouble is if you take it off, which I am going to take mine off to see if I can change the pulley. But normally, if you're just changing the belt, you ain't got to take that off. Just loosen it up. So here's the idler tensioner pulley. And you can see the spring goes to that piece right there. And this is the pivot point. It's actually got a greaser on it, and this is the pulley that I think is squealing. If I could spin it faster, it makes a funny noise, but they sent me the wrong pulley. They sent me something smaller, and yeah, it's not gonna work. So okay, so I got my belt on. Kind of disappointed that I didn't have a pulley. This is the pulley they sent me, and it's way too small. Don't exactly know what this goes on, but it is not for this mower deck. Anyway, I'm going to give this a try. Maybe it'll stop squeaking. It's squealing pretty bad. I'm probably going to grease that idler and grease my spindles, although they should be greased up good enough anyway, but I'll give them some more grease and we'll see how this works out, I guess.